In under 7 minutes, a window at the Louvre became the way out for a heist that seemed impossible. Scaffolding on the facade creates a vertical route down toward the Seine. The platform rises slowly, aligning the basket with a specific frame. No explosions, just technique. The glass panel comes loose. The gallery breathes in cold air. 2 thieves slip through the opening. The target is already marked. A short route from the window to the target case is in the Galerie d'Apollon. The alarm exists. The clock races against the human response. Surgical entry. Cut, protect, and open. Fast removal, piece by piece. A sapphire parure, tiara, and necklace. Oval sapphires, diamond halos, and airy lightness. Marie-Louise's emerald necklace. Deep green pear-shaped stones in antique settings. A pair of emerald earrings, imperial design. The contrast of green with the white sparkle. Diamonds. A locket brooch, a vertical design rosette at the top. Old cuts, lively sparkle, not perfect. The great corsage bow of Empress Eugénie. A mosaic of thousands of stones, lightness and continuous shine. Eugénie's pearl and diamond tiara. The creamy texture of pearls. Diamond leaves as support. Timeline, window, cases. Window. The clock closes the loop. Under 7 minutes. Second case, open it without shadow glass. The thieves remove the pieces quickly, one by one. First out, the tiara and the sapphire necklace. Placed into neutral cases, everything. Compact for the exit. Marie-Louise's emerald necklace and earrings follow the same route. Antique settings show up in close-up, without excessive polishing. The locket brooch and the great corsage bow leave the case. Everything fitted, no friction. Speed is part of the plan. Last, Eugénie's pearl tiara. The cases are left empty, only the marks, where the pieces once rested. The alarm goes off and time starts, working against the thieves. Human response costs precious seconds. They're already leaving. The exit route mirrors the entry. The thieves head straight back to the window. Modular cases, everything compact. Get out fast. the window, they pass the cases
Os sujeitos passam
to the scissor lift.
para a cesta elevatória.
The platform starts descending. Seconds
Começa a descer.
matter.
Segundos contam.
On the street, the pair has vehicles ready.
A dupla tem os veículos prontos.
Straps tightened, load secured,
Pressionadas, carga firme.
and route defined.
E rota definida.
On the street, the pair has vehicles ready. Straps tightened, load secured, and route defined. They slip along the send key. Low speed, low noise. The city barely notices the passage. Compressed timeline, window. Cases, window, and street. Clean, precisely timed execution. The advantage is in the details. These jewels, beyond their price, carry memory and power.
Carregam memória e poder.
Official images help identify each piece. Because these jewels are practically unsellable, each one has a public history and unique traits. The illicit path would be to dismantle melted metal and recut gems.
Derretido e gemas relatadas.
The golden window for recovery is short. 24 to 48 hours before everything disappears. After that, the traces become accounting silence. The investigation cross-references city cameras with cell signals.
Urbanas com sinais de celular.
Signer records and scrapyards enter the search.
Cena e sucata
Radar.
entram no radar de busca.
Museum security is a tripod, people,
É tripé.
process, and technology.
Tecnologia.
With high state insurance, every failure becomes pressure for prevention.
Ação por prevenção.
On the day of the theft, the Louvre closes and
O Louvre
recalibrates security.
calibra a segurança.
Routes and sensors are adjusted. The risk map changes.
O mapa do risco muda.
Nearby, the pearl tiara appears,
A diadema
damaged on the pavement,
calçamento.
a sign of costly haste or a failure in transport.
Falha no transporte dos sujeitos.
The perimeter is preserved for the reading
Preservado.
of the scene.
Leitura da cena.
Glass shards and suction marks tell
Vidro e marcas de
the story.
contam a história.
In the end, detail and time beat brute
Detalhe e tempo
force,
serão a força bruta.
and the jewels remain history,
Joias continuam sendo
condensed into metal and light.
estudadas em metal e luz.
If recovered, they will return with new scars.
Voltarão com cicatrizes novas.
If they vanish, only anonymous numbers
Restarão apenas
remain.
números anônimos.
Temporary works and routes also enter the equation.
Também entram na equação.
Small detours, big consequences.
Desvios, grandes consequências.
In the end, security is systems,
Segurança é
engineering,
em sistemas.
and this case was a race against the
Foi uma corrida
clock.
contra o relógio.
Dawn breaks over the Seine.
Amanhece no Sena.
The past keeps shining,
O passado segue brilhando.
and sometimes ends up out of place.
Às vezes, fora de lugar.
The investigation continues with updates, as soon as there are any. Meanwhile, routes and sensors need
Rotas e
to be reinforced.
Ser reforçados.
Applause. The end.
Fim.
Which historical case do you want to see? Reconstructed in 3D next?
Reconstruído em 3D a seguir.
Enjoyed our video? Subscribe.
Vídeo.
Turn on the bell and suggest the next for Radar
case.
Global 3D.
Caso para o nosso radar global 3D.